Hey, while I'm at Mother's visiting her, I just wanted to show you a couple things on my iPhone, chargers. Has this stuff ever happened to you? Look at this end, mind you. I mean, I gotta hold my mouth just right for this thing to work because it bent over like that and the wires are kind of frayed off and stuff. And so I found another one here. And this end just seems like it's messed up in here too. I have to put it on my phone and wrap it around my phone just so to get this just right for power. Well, I went down to the store. I thought, what am I going to do? Well, I found this one right here. And it's braided. It's a braided cable. Plus, another thing I like, it's 6 feet long, not the 4-footer. You know how you're in bed, sometimes your phone goes off, and you have to reach down for it and your cord's not long enough. Well, phooey on that. I got a 6-footer now, plus the braided cable. I'm gonna like that. That was well worth the extra, what was it, $5 more for this as opposed to one of these Mickey Mouse cords. Okay, and here's something else I liked. This little square blocks like that. I like that, but here's something you might want to get, for your car, the cigarette lighter thing. I've seen them where the ends are only that far and then you plug it into the back. Well, this one kind of works the same way, but what I liked on that is you can actually plug it into your wall too. They should have done it a little bit differently because it's kind of hard to pull out of there. Now I can't. Oh, here it comes. No. See? Oh, okay, there's a little grabber right there. Okay. Where you can plug that into the wall and use this end. So you can use it for the wall or you can use it for the cigarette lighter. So I kind of like that too. That way, if you don't have one of these square blocks, you don't even need this square blocks. Bye-bye. You could just buy one of these. Now you can use this for the wall, boom, kaboom, or your cigarette lighter in your car. Okay? That's it from Joe. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.